Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So I had this old headband lying around and decided to repurpose it because I wanted to make another set of Mommy and Me matching headbands, and this one was made to match my daughter's Chicago White Sox headband that I made, and I wanted to repurpose it because you could tell how well used this was. It's practically falling apart. So I start to take it apart, and then I realize this underpiece, whatever material this is still rather sticky. So then I decide to still use it again instead of just throwing it away. But it's not going to matter what that underpiece looks like anyway, because no one's really going to see it. I'm covering up the outside part. So I first go ahead and re-glue on the original outer layer, the black area. It was really pretty once upon a time, but it just started to come apart at the bottom. So I just reattach it with hot glue, and then I just take the oversized fabric and sort of measure using the fabric how much fabric I actually need around the headband. Then I decided to go ahead and cut off this little copyright note from the fabric off, just because I really don't want that on my headband. While I'm grateful that the copyright was given to the company making the fabric, I just don't want it on my headband. It just takes away from the design itself, so I go ahead and cut that off. So I go ahead and take the fabric and wrap it around the headband just to gauge whether or not this size fabric was wide enough. And then I decided to go ahead and keep it as is and just glue it together long ways but inside out. So the idea that I came up with was, and you could do it totally different than this, but I thought this was a good idea, was to basically make a little tube inside out, then turn it right side out. Honestly, if you have a sewing machine, that would actually be better, or if you don't mind hand sewing, which takes a little bit more time, I didn't have that kind of time, or if you have fabric glue on hand, which might be better, it just might not hold that quickly, so, you know, pick your choice of glue, I suppose. Yeah, so anyways, either way, glue it in, attach it inside out as a tube, and then make sure to take it, pull it from one end to the other, right side out, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to use that to take the old headband and feed it through this tube. Quick tip on this little project: make sure your seams are on the inside, or underside rather, of the headband. And once you have the headband, the original headband, fed through the tube completely, you're going to start on one side and basically take the ends of the tube fabric and just kind of do a sort of fold that kind of makes you think of wrapping a gift. So every little section of fabric, I added glue just to seal it on one end, and then I repeated that on the other side. And honestly, this project did not turn out perfectly. No DIY project ever does, but I do think it turned out really well, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So once it's all glued and attached on, I just tried to sort of fix the ruffles to my liking, and then I called it done. And here I am wearing my matching headband with my family, but unfortunately my daughter had already taken her headband off. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.